Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get DeepSeek API. So first you need to open deepseek.com, not DeepSeek chat. Then you go to API platform. You need to log in first. Then you go to API key, create a new one. Let's name it, for example, like this. Now you have your API to use it whatever you want. But for the users, it's going to be paid. So that's why you can top up here, either by PayPal or debit card, Visa or MasterCard. You can top up the amount that you want, even you can custom the amount. And to know how much cost, you can refer to DeepSeek API pricing. So as you can see here, there is DeepSeek Chat and there is DeepSeek Reasoner, and you can find the pricing for the tokens and the features that you can have. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.